మనం ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ కంపెనీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాము. వాళ్ళ స్టాల్ దగ్గర మాట్లాడదాం. సార్, యువర్ గుడ్ నేమ్?
Hare Ram Thakur. My brother Krishna Kumar.
Krishna Kumar Thakur.
Hi, sir. Actually, what is the International Equipment Co. and what is the ranges of products?
Sir, International Equipment Company is one of the leading commercial kitchen equipment company in India. We started in 2011 with a very small company. Now we are leader of the industry. We do complete solution for kitchens, commercial kitchens, hotels, restaurant, cafes, hospitals, institutionals, IT, industries, etc. And equipment range we have all major brands which are worldwide famous as Promac, Rational, Hatco, Electrolux, Robocop, Salva, Winterhalter, TNS, MKN. So like that we have all major brands with us. And our main focus is after sales service. We have 50 trained service engineers in our company and we provide excellent after sales service 24/7. Yeah.
This is for commercial or domestic?
Commercial. Everything you are here, we deal only with commercial kitchen equipment. We don't deal with domestic one. So these are the bakery equipment. This is our own brand, Indulge. This is also Robusto brand. This is also very famous. This is digital panels and all this having a steam provision and then a stone provision. So these are the bakery ovens. We have here planetary mixer, a spiral mixer over here. Then we deal with Unox convection ovens here. You can look it out. Then ice machines. Here we have a Sermon, meat mincer, slicers. We are keeping a lot of Sermon products in a stock. Then the Robocop, Robocop brand, we keep a lot of Robocop in a stock. Then this is our refrigeration, which is very good in quality. Indulge refrigeration. We have varieties of like 2-door, 3 doors, back bars, then reaching 4-door, 2-door verticals. And here we have Hatco toasters. This is Hatco toasters, conveyor toasters. Then we have Sermon inductions. Here we have a Promac coffee machine. Here you can see, look it out. This is our dishwashers. We promote a lot. We do sell a lot of bits and dishwashers and glass washers. Here's a fryer. This is the Chinese range with the best quality with blower auto ignition system. We have it here in the Chinese range.
These are all heavy duty machines only, right?
These are all heavy duty machines. So customer will get 1 year warranty and excellent after sales service. These are all robust, good quality machines. Here you can see we are doing a live demo session for National Company. We are partner for this brand since many years and we are number one partners in India. We sell a lot of combi oven and the beauty is we also do after sales service of Rational in India. Yeah.
Rational or icombi?
Rational. So Rational icombi Pro is a series, model number series. So Rational is a brand of Germany. It's very good quality.
What is the specialty of this product actually?
This is the combi oven who makes each and everything. This is a solution for each and everything. Like you can bake, you can cook, you can roast, you can grill, you can steam.
It's all in one.
All in one. One combi oven, multiple solutions for you. Yeah.
Where it can be used in restaurants or hotels or pantries?
Lot of industries, lot of cafes, bakers, lot of restaurant. This is the oven who suits each and every section or each and every departments of the hotels, restaurants. Like this is one solution for each and everything. Yeah.
How about the service after sales?
This is the only combi oven where you will get 2 years warranty, space and labor free, and we have a pan India service network. So within 24 hours we'll get service, and then we also provide chef solutions. So any chefs, anyone required any kind of questions, they have any kind of queries, they can call us and they'll resolve immediately. Yeah,
Do you have any star hotel clients?
so many.
Any example?
Marriott, ITC, Taj, Oberoi's, yeah, Sarovers. Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Here in Hyderabad, Paradise Biryani is one of our customer. Ella Hotels, Fusion 9. There are so many other customers we have it in Hyderabad.
How is the response from the people?
Whole exhibition was good. It's pretty good. The beauty of the exhibition is we meet people under one roof, So there's so many customers. Normally, I travel a lot. I go to people, place to place. But here, the beauty is everybody is coming here under one roof. We met in 3 days so many people, so many customers, so many are partners. We met here. Yeah.
Any individuals are coming, or which type of clients here coming?
All. I have seen hotelier, I have seen restaurant owners, I have seen vice president, CEO of the company as well. So it's a good show overall. Yeah.
Your good name?
I'm Hare Ram Thakur. I am one of the managing partner for this company, and my elder brother was here. He's Krishna Kumar Thakur.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Wow.